I'm back with another cooking video. Today I will be making chicken strips using 13 different spices and seasoning. And those seasons are ground cumin, white pepper, Chinese 5-spice, black pepper, kosher salt, onion powder, cayenne pepper, chili powder, crushed red pepper, garlic powder, ground paprika, poultry season, and chicken flavored bouillon. This is our boneless, skinless chicken breast cut into strips, and we'll be using these to make our chicken breast strips using 13 different seasoning and spices. And those spices are white pepper, ground cumin, Chinese 5-spice, black pepper, kosher salt, onion powder, cayenne pepper, chili powder, crushed red pepper, garlic powder, ground paprika, poultry seasoning, and chicken bouillon. I'm gonna mix all of these seasoning into a bowl, and then I will coat my chicken with the seasoning. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna start mixing my seasoning into the bowl. I'm gonna start with, and you can go whatever order you want, but this is the way that I'm going with mine. I'm going with the chicken flavored bouillon. Not a lot, just a little. Next, we're gonna add chili powder, followed by poultry seasoning. Poultry chicken, right? Yeah, so why not? Onion powder. And by the way, guys, I'm not sponsored by any of these companies that I'm using their seasoning. Just whatever seasoning you like. Kosher salt. Ground black pepper. Crushed red pepper. Cayenne pepper, just for a little heat. Ground paprika. Ground cumin. Chinese 5-spice. White pepper. And garlic powder. We're gonna mix all these together. Got a spoon here, and we're gonna mix all these seasonings together. If you want an idea of whether if your seasoning is too salty or too spicy, it's a good idea at this point to taste your seasoning before you apply it to your chicken. I'm giving this a really good mix here, as you can see. I'll take a pinch. We can actually use a little more garlic powder. I mean, onion powder, not garlic powder. Again, we're gonna mix that really well. Taste it one more time. Perfect. Okay, next, we're gonna take this seasoning and we're gonna add it to our chicken a little bit at a time. Just like that. Take this in. Work that really good with the chicken here. And my seasoning a little spicy, guys. And if you don't want it to be as spicy, just do not use as much cayenne and crushed red pepper and black pepper. It will actually make it not as spicy, more towards the mouth. So we're gonna add just a little bit more of that seasoning in there. Just like that. Then we're gonna mix it really well. Okay. Get that all mixed really well. Next thing I'm gonna do is make the breading for my chicken. You see I have a little seasoning left over, so I'm not gonna discharge this. I'm gonna use this with my flour mixtures. Flour, slap the chicken up a little bit so you can see I still have that seasoning right in that flour. Be careful. And a little goes along. Now this next thing we're gonna do is just this flour. Oops. If I can start spilling it, we can get it on that chicken. We're gonna make a batter. Wash it in here. Whenever you're handling raw chicken, make sure you keep your hands clean. You don't want to contaminate other items. Next, I'm gonna add some beer to that. To make this batter, I'm gonna add, and you can use whatever beer or water you like, but I like using Bud Light. If I can, yeah. I'll just take a little bit. I'm gonna use a little bit at a time. So I work with it. See how it began to settle down there? See, it's all thick right there, but that's okay. We're gonna add more beer. Once again, we're making a batter here. Now we can kind of like stir it in a little bit. Just like so. Oh yeah. It's getting happy here. See the batter? I'm just making sure this mixes really well. perfect. See that? That is what I'm looking for. So next, I'm gonna bring my chicken back. I'm gonna take this batter. I'm gonna just pour it all over the chicken. Trying to get as much as I can out of my bowl. And we're gonna take this chicken, mix this chicken a little well with this batter, just like so. Next, we're gonna deep fry this chicken. Stay tuned. Okay, now let's get ready to fry this chicken up. More in there. Let's cook. Whenever I'm dealing with chicken, I like to use two different tongs. One to deal with the raw chicken and one to deal with the cooked chicken. Now the chicken is not fully cooked, so I'm still going to use, well, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to take it, turn that chicken. Another time you're dealing with chicken breast can only cook very fast. The chicken gonna be good. Okay, now I have placed my chicken in this pot. The hot oil is about 350, 375. We're gonna fry this chicken strip until golden brown. And I like to use two sets of tongs when I'm handling chicken. One handling the raw chicken, one for the cooked chicken. Just means safety. Then I'll check that one, that's all. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. You say it doesn't take chicken breast a very long time to cook, and you want to make sure you don't burn these chicken breasts. Chicken strips, I should say. smaller, you'll see the skin off a little bit. And I'm going to place it right over here. I'm going to finish unrolling this chicken so I can start a new batch. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and press that notification bell because I will be posting more videos soon. I'll try to get this video to at least 1,000 likes. Again, this is for my cooked chicken, the clean tongues. So we're gonna move back over here. So I'm gonna roll some more chicken using the tongue that I did for my raw chicken. We have enough for one more batch. So while we're waiting on this chicken to cook, let's just take a little sample piece and look at this chicken to see if the chicken really cooked all the way through. Let's just get a piece here. This piece right here. And just take it over here to my plate. Let's just see this chicken cook all the way through. Oh yeah, look at that. Let me show you this. Fully cooked. Man, I wish you can smell this. This thing is like, oh my. So let's give it a try. Wow. The chicken is crunchy, juicy. Look at the juice in that chicken. Look at that. Look at the juice on my thing. I'll tell you, that's a well-dressed burger right here. Well dressed. I know some people like ranch. No ranch needed here. This chicken, I mean, you have to try it. Look at that. Nice and flaky. Amazing. Let's go back and check out what chicken that's in the fryer. Like I said, you want to make sure you do not burn your bird. Get his recipe to try. Please like, comment, subscribe, press that notification bell, and let me know what you think of my 13 season fried chicken strips. Give you another look at time. Very quick and very simple and full of flavor. Thank you for watching my channel. Please, please, please give me a thumbs up. Press that notification bell. Subscribe to my channel. And let's try to get this video to 1,000 likes. When I get 1,000 likes, we're going to post the next cooking video. And please look at the videos on my channel. There's some very good stuff there and funny. So look at those videos, give me a thumbs up, and leave comments. Y'all have a nice day.